Video we're going to learn how to deactivate Facebook account temporarily. First thing first, open your Facebook account. In the top right area you will find horizontal 3-line button. Tap on this button. If you scroll down you will find settings and privacy. Click on the drop down menu. Go to settings option. A new window will open. In the beginning you will find Meta Account Center. There is an option called See More in Account Center. Click on See More in, and in this window, if you scroll you will find account settings. There is an option called personal details. Go with personal details, and here at the bottom you will find account ownership and control. Select this option, and there are two different options are available under account ownership and control: memorialization and deactivation or deletion. We want to deactivate our account, so we go with the second option. We want to deactivate our Facebook account, so we select Facebook account. We have two options here: deactivate account and delete account. Delete account is permanent. If you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you shared, whereas deactivate account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated, and your name and photos will be removed from most things you have shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger. We want to deactivate account. Select this option. Click continue. Now you need to submit your password. You need to submit password multiple times for security purposes. Click continue. And you need to specify the reason for which you want to deactivate an account. Select any random option. Click continue. And taking a break from Facebook, and there is at the bottom you will find automatically reactivate my account in 7 days. There are so different options. You can automatically reactivate your account in 1 day, 2 day, 7 day. I go select with don't reactivate automatically. Click done. Click continue. Confirm temporary account deactivation. There is a option called deactivate my account. We select this option. Our account will be deactivated and will be automatically logged out of our Facebook account. That's it. That's how you can deactivate your Facebook account. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.